Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. It's Marybeth here. Super excited to be here today to share this brand new sales funnel with you that was just recently released for copy and paste ads. As simple as it gets. This has been an amazing system. It's been out there since 2018. I have been part of it successfully and consistently earning with it for the past 3+ years. I absolutely love it. And this brand new sales funnel just hit the market. It's going to continue to do great things as we head into 2026. So I'd love to share it with you on today's video. I'm dropping a link below, dailypaywithmarybeth.com. Dailypaywithmarybeth.com. All you have to do is either type it into your browser or click on the link, whichever is easiest for you, and just put your first name and a good valid email address and hit show me the video. Okay? This is a simple copy, paste, post ads system. All of your pre-written ads are provided for you, giving you all the ad sites to post them on so that you have the potential to start generating unlimited $100 instant pay commissions directly to you via your favorite payment processor. Okay? So again, all you have to do is enter your information, click on the show me the video, and you will get access to the proven step-by-step blueprint that you can plug right into and follow. Okay? So once you enter your information, you're going to be redirected right here, and you will see 3 explainer videos. The first one right here is 5 minutes, breaks everything down for you. It's an exciting video. It's the opportunity video that explains the entire opportunity. And then we have explainer video number 2, which is a short video with wonderful testimonials. So you'll get to hear from other members why they love copy and paste ads so well. Okay? And then last but not least, we have a fun music video. You're going to absolutely love this video. It's brand new, hot off the press, and I just invite you and encourage you to watch it. Okay? So this is just very simple, and people love simple. Yes, this is worldwide. It is simple. It is affordable, and it is duplicatable. It's only $129 one time. There's no monthly fees. There's a $29 one-time admin payment, and then $100 membership. Okay? What your membership includes are all the pre-written ads. Ad copy completely, totally provided for you. Okay? Including classified ads and email ads and much more. Plus 100 places to post your ads. So this wipes out and eliminates all the guesswork out of the equation. Comes complete with step-by-step instructional videos, recorded training and webinars, copy-paste ads tracking software, access to private Facebook groups, 7+ lead capture pages and funnels, 15+ autoresponder messages. This has a reverse one-up compensation plan, so there's some very nice leverage built into it. You will keep your first sale. You only pass up your second. However, everybody that joins directly with you is going to be passing up sale number 2 to you. Okay? And this have great email support and a great FAQ area, frequently asked questions. Okay? So as soon as you're ready to go, all you do is click on this Buy Now button. You'll be redirected right away to pay the one-time $29 admin. You do that first. Then you're going to be taken to pay myself, okay? And for your convenience, I do accept all major credit and debit cards. Okay? So very easy. And here is my contact details. Should you have any questions, feel free to call or text, okay? But this is a brand new marketing system, a brand new sales funnel, just released like 2 short days ago. And it's all ready to go for the brand new year for you. 2026 copy and paste ads as simple as it gets. So for the purpose of this video, I wanted to share this with you. You can check it all out. Again, dailypaywithmarybeth.com. Just enter your name and email. You'll be redirected here. 3 simple, short explainer videos. You don't want to overthink on this. You don't want to overcomplicate the process. You don't want to overanalyze, folks. It's just very simple. And yes, everybody can copy, paste, and post ads, okay? It's very, very easy. And you can promote this however you want as well, okay? You're just not restricted or limited to just doing the copy, paste, post ads. You can take this, you can share this, word of mouth advertising. You can use social media. You can do short, simple videos, short form, faceless. You can use TikTok. You can use YouTube. You can post up simple text on Facebook, Instagram. You can take this wherever you want to go with it, folks. And this amazing new sales funnel is going to do amazing things, no doubt about it, for 2026. So you're in the right place at the right time if you're looking for simple. And remember, simple sells. This is simple. This is affordable. This is duplicatable, and it is scalable all the way. So without further ado, let's just listen to this 5-minute video here. And I know you're going to love this. I'd love to help you to get started today so that you can be up and running for the start of a brand new year, folks, with your very own copy and paste ad system. So if you're looking for a side hustle, just a simple, simple way that you can start increasing your cash flow, whether that be daily, weekly, or monthly, folks, congrats. You're in the right place at the right time with copy paste ads. Okay? So without further ado, let's just go ahead and tune in here.
Welcome to Copy and Paste Ads, where earning up to $300 a day or more is incredibly simple, all by posting ads. Our system takes care of 98% of the work for you, making it a complete done-for-you solution. All you have to do is copy and paste the pre-written ads provided in your back office. It's that easy. With our system, there's no need for selling, explaining, or bothering your family and friends. You won't even have to talk to anyone. You can do everything from the comfort of your home or anywhere with internet access. And rest assured, this is not about lotions, potions, pills, or anything like that. Here's how it works. You'll add your assigned website to the pre-written ads available in your back office. Just copy the ads and paste them in the high-volume sites we recommend. By posting your ads on these sites, they'll be exposed to thousands of people each month. Your ads will catch their attention, and they'll visit your assigned website just like you did, and just like I did. When your prospects visit the coded page, a video will inspire them to take action and send you $100. You'll receive $100 instantly via Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, crypto, or even PayPal. And Wise are options members can plug in. You can add any payment methods in your profile. Stripe is built in also with our member-to-member payment system. Remember, you won't have to sell or talk to your prospects. The copy and paste ad system handles all of that for you. You simply confirm your $100 payments you receive from our direct pay member-to-member platform in our members area. Simply copy and paste the ads, and your prospects will come to you automatically. But wait, it gets even better. We have a built-in reverse one-up compensation plan that pays you $100 on your direct referral's second sale. Here's an example. Let's say you personally bring in 10 direct sales. You'll earn $1,000, right? Now those 10 sales are coded to you, and their second sale also goes to you. That's an additional $1,000. Then, the next 10 people they bring in will owe you their second sale as well. And it continues like this, multiple times. You'll be earning $100 bills from everyone's second sale in your team. That's ultimate leverage and passive income. Wouldn't you agree? What's included in the copy and paste ad system? A persuasive video that does all the selling and talking for you. The same video page coded to you. A deluxe back office suite featuring built-in commission tracking software. Pre-written ads coded to you. A fully loaded resource center with over 100 free and paid places to post your ads. A funnel system with 25 different funnels available to promote. An autoresponder and 25 pre-written follow-up messages for your prospects. Built-in stat tracking software to monitor views of your ads and pages. Step-by-step instructional videos for quick setup. A support team for you and your referrals. Additional hands-free ad posting tools and services. Plus, free updates for life. So, all you need to do is post ads, and our system takes care of the rest. You'll have a fully automated cash generating system working for you on autopilot 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. The copy and paste ad system is truly the easiest program you'll ever find online. By purchasing the resale rights, you gain access to this copy and paste ad system, which includes hosting of your funnels. This is by far the easiest program. By purchasing the copy and paste ads resale rights, you now have at your fingertips a very simple SaaS system, which stands for Software as a Service. This system will allow you to generate all the extra income you need by working just a few minutes a day posting ads. So, let's get you started. The complete system, including resale rights, has a true value of $2,250. But if you purchase right now during this limited time, you can purchase the complete copy and paste ad system for a very low one-time fee of $129. Yes, you heard me right, only $129, that's it, saving you over 90%. Click the Buy Now link below and get started right now. Remember, there is no selling and no talking to anyone. All you do is copy and paste ads, and the system does the rest. You get paid $100 instantly over and over again, straight to your Cash App, Venmo, Square, Stripe, Wise, Crypto, or even PayPal account. Go ahead and click the link below and get started today. Your $100 instant payments could start in less than 1 hour. Thank you for letting us help you make the income you deserve. Register today and make your 2 payments to get started. Once approved, you will have instant access to your members area and getting started instruction.
So there you go, folks. Explained very, very well. Very simple system, simple explanation, and remember, simple sales. So there you have it. There's explainer video 1, and I invite you and encourage you to tune in to explainer video 2 with wonderful testimonials so you can hear what other happy, satisfied members have to say about copy and paste ads. And then I know you're going to love this video here, folks. It's a brand new, fun music video. So be sure and check out those 2 as well. This is everything that you get plus much more. And it's very easy to get started. Here's the magic button, folks. By now, you'll be redirected to pay your one-time $29 admin, and then you'll be redirected after that to pay your $100. If you have any questions whatsoever, text or call me. Here's my contact details. Head on over right now to dailypaywithmarybeth.com, and you're going to be taken to this page right here. Brand new page, folks. Okay, dailypaywithmarybeth.com. All ready to go for you for the new year 2026. You're going to absolutely love this amazing system, because especially if you're looking for something affordable, something simple, something anybody can do. It's worldwide. There is no learning curves, no special skills involved, no special degrees, no tech. Folks, it's as easy as it gets. Everybody, literally everybody, can copy, paste, and post ads, especially when everything is provided for you. The ad copy is all done for you, ready to go. The places to post your ads is all provided to you, for you, plus many additional resources. You get step-by-step training, guidance, phenomenal support, folks. Everything you need. True turnkey business in a box. Automated to the max. Don't have to speak to anybody ever. This very brand new marketing system will do all of the heavy lifting for you, and your telling, selling, and explaining will all be taken care of in 3 short, simple explainer videos. So with that being said, folks, you know what to do next. Go to dailypaywithmarybeth.com. My link is below. Just enter your name and a good valid email. Click this button right here, show me the video. You'll be redirected once again right over here, okay? And you'll have your explainer videos that you can watch. Your new path to financial freedom and a better lifestyle begins here. You'll be able to unlock the power of the copy and paste ad system when you get started today, folks. Everything you need is included. So with that being said, thank you so much. And then you'll be looking for an email that's going to say, thanks for checking out copy and paste ads. This has pre-written follow-up emails that are extremely instrumental in helping you to get more paid signups. It's a complete business in a box, folks. Everything you need to be up and running quickly so that you too can have new success in the new year with copy and paste ads. As simple as it gets. And it really is simple. So I know you've been looking for a simple side hustle. Folks, congratulations. You're in the right place at the right time. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you soon on the next video. Bye for now.